GelX tutorial.
Watch me achieve this look using gel products. So basically, I am going to remove the shine from my nails using my 240 grit sanding band along with my Melody Susie drill. Right? So I'm going in around the cuticles, I'm removing the shine. Y'all, excuse me, I just recorded this video and I don't know where the voice over went. But anyways, so you can see me going in with my sanding band, making sure that I remove all of the shine. I'm pushing my cuticles back. Then I'm going in again with my 240 grit sanding band. Girl, I love this Melody Susie drill. It has not failed me yet. So if you're interested, you can go and purchase it, okay? Then I'm going in with my Mia Secret Nail Prep Dehydrator. This is basically to remove all the oils from your nails. Then I'm going in with the Mia Secret Primer, Extra Bond Primer as well. Right? And after that, I'm going to be sizing my tips. You have to make sure that the tips fit sidewall to sidewall and must fit perfectly. So you have to take your time with this. Yeah? Then from there, we're going to be using this Extend gel. This is the gel I'm going to be using in order to adhere the nails, the tips onto my nails. So you have to roughen up the surface a bit before you put the gel so it has something to adhere to when you cure it. We only want long lasting nails, right? So you have to make sure there are no air bubbles and don't go past your natural nails with the gel. So just like this, you're flash curing it at this point, okay? You're not fully curing it. So you're doing each finger and then you have to flash cure it. So I go ahead and I do this for all 5 of my fingers. I'm only doing one hand. As a nail tech, you know, we only do one hand, you know. So I'm making sure it's perfect, because if it's not, I'm going to have to remove it, and that's a process by itself. So I'm taking my time, and you should take your time too. Right, so I'm doing it for all of my nails as I mentioned. Take your time with it. Don't rush. Don't allow the customer to rush you either, because they're going to be complaining after. So now that I'm finished with that, I'm going to be using my Beetles LED light. Shout out to Beetles. I love this company as well. I'm curing for a full 60 seconds as stated on my Extend gel. This is how it looks once I'm completed with that process. So I'm now going to use these magnets along with my cutter to achieve the desired length and shape that I would like. Well, length using the cutter. And then I use a scissors to cut it into a coffin shape, and then I filed and I buffed. But yes, I'm going with coffin. I like coffin. Do you like coffin? Right, and as usual, I do this for all of my nails individually, one by one, making sure that I like the length that it is. So this is after I shape, file, buff into coffin. And I'm now going to go in with some acetone in order to seal the cuticle. So this is going, I'm using this brush, and I'm going to be putting this in my cuticle area. Sorry about that. Yes, so I'm going to be putting it in my cuticle area. Make sure to blend it in. You know, you don't want it looking like you have a nail. You want it to look like it's coming from your fingers. This is how it looks after. I sprayed some alcohol on it. You don't have to do that. This is how it looks after 2 coats of gel polish. And this is the final look.